One of the popular sports in different parts of the world, the rollball, has been introduced in Meghalaya under the Meghalaya Rollball Association, where youngsters under the age of 14 years have been trained in the sport by experts who have undergone advanced training at Pune. 10 of these young children will be leaving Shillong on the 4th of November 2022 to participate in the second Sub-Junior E-Zone National Championship to be held at Dispur, Assam. The General Secretary of the Meghalaya Rollball Association and introducer of the game to Meghalaya, Shillong, informed that through the inspiration and encouragement from parents, the young participants have been working hard and putting their best effort into facing their opponents at the upcoming championship in Dispur. At the same time, Shillong is hopeful that the young children will definitely be encouraged to further compete in bigger platforms in the near future.
First, like roller skating, no? You should don't the speed short tracks, but the long tracks itu ayu. Tekan ni waktu you minta pada bat kabol, bat kayu pada ke roll ball. Pada founder ide Raju Davade na Pune. Te minta na long pun founder hame Meghalaya bangla ye ni game hame. Te ni na start na 2019 na register tu. Ada na tu pada te one ki pandemic, one ki 8 ini kami obhavan ban sedang. Ada na tu pada te ni ai opportunities father, ni ai thanks a father Anthony. The ai opportunities hane ban start, ni na start ban ni la participate no do ka speed skating, ado ki roll ball national e-zone ni la participate. Kani di menta second e-zone national bangin like kanlong hafut or 5th and 6th ani Assam Dispur skating ring satu kini lagi pun yang new proudly kids ban participate mati tang na e-zone national no de karpat punya ki mutum government ro tingkat ni lek kai kong tu tengi hab subscribe pramani ni ro ni dang susdang sente karpat ba mutkan pitch ya kani ka sports ro ya kani ka roll ball roller skating bakin ai jing yarap ini ro alain ban lek sabar lek ai ban compete ban ayu ban participate